Say hi, Stevie. We had puppies last night. So their birthday is 12/20. She had 10 babies. 7 boys and 3 girls. We're making up for all the girls we've had. And she's got 4 merles, 3 blue, 1 red, 3 solid red males, and 2 black and white parties and 1 solid black male. And they all have lots of weight. There's 2 blue merles that are solid, and then a party blue right here, and then this is a party red merle girl. So pretty. She's almost white completely because she's so light. Yeah, Mama's doing good. She surprised us with so many babies. But she used to have a lot of babies, and she went down to 6 for a while, and I guess she decided it's time to have more again. These are F2B miniature Bordoodle puppies. We have 1 black and white party female and 1 black and white party male. And then this is a blue merle girl, and this is the boy. And then the other girl, the rest are boys. So these red boys are going to be like 3 triplets. It's kind of cute. We still have spots available on this list right now. So go to milehighbordoodles.com, milehighbordoodles.com for more information and availability. And we'll be taking videos every week, and we'll have pictures at 1, 3, and 5 weeks. So we'll see you guys in a week. Say bye, Stevie. She's like, I'm going to sleep now. Good night.